This video is about journaling. People use journaling to express their feelings, work through a problem, or tell a story. As a beginning writer, it's a great way to make progress between tutoring sessions. It can be a bit scary thinking about starting to write in a journal. You may tell yourself things like, I can't journal until I'm a much better writer, or I'll never be able to do that. Don't let those thoughts stop you from trying. There are journaling activities for every level. You may also think, I don't have the time. Even 5 minutes a day or a few times a week will help you progress with your literacy learning and your life learning. A common concern is, I actually don't know what I'll write. Well, that's what this video is for, to give you some ideas to start. We often think of a journal as having pages and pages of writing, but that's just one way of journaling. We're going to show you some other ways. If you decide you want to try journaling, watch this video with your tutor and pick 1 or 2 activities that work with your writing level. Consider which ideas look fun or which ones might be useful to you. Your journal shouldn't cause you stress or feel like homework. It's a private place where you don't have to be perfect in spelling or grammar. It's a place to experiment, make mistakes, and have fun. It's your own place where you can be yourself. So let's get started and look at some ideas. Start by choosing your journal. It could be big, small, sparkly, plain, or have a design. Pick one that makes you smile and makes you feel good about writing in it. You can choose one with plain pages or lined pages. You can use a pen or a pencil to write with. You can even use markers or pencil crayons. Choose what you like, or maybe try all of them. Write your name on the first page of your journal to celebrate that this journal is your own private place to express yourself. If you like, add drawings or pictures that say something about you. The first section of activities focuses on working with individual letters of the alphabet. If you are a very beginning writer, these activities are for you. Stop and start the video as you take a closer look at the next 4 activities. Your tutor will share more information about each activity. Which of those activities appeals to you most right now? What makes it interesting for you? Share with your tutor. The next session is great for when you are not sure what to write. These activities use prompts. A prompt is a question or a fill in the blank. Your answer could be just 1 word or more, depending on what level you're at right now. Stop and start the video as you look at the next 2 prompt activities. What prompts did you see that would be enjoyable to answer or useful for you? Share with your tutor. Our next section is about different kinds of lists. There are so many types of lists that you can make, but we are starting you off with a gratitude list, a bucket list, and a shopping list. Stop and start the video and check out our 3 lists. Would any of these lists be fun or useful to you? If not, what other type of list would you like to make? Share with your tutor. Our next section is going to spark your creativity. Each activity uses magazine pages to inspire some creative writing. You'll need scissors and a glue stick. It really is a lot of fun. Stop and start the video as you look at our 3 magazine page ideas. Which of those ideas feels like it would be a good fit for you, considering your skill level right now? Share with your tutor. Finally, we have some practical journaling ideas for you. These will help you manage things in your daily life. Stop and start the video as you look at our 3 practical journaling activities. Which of those activities would be most helpful to you right now? How would they make your life easier? Share with your tutor. That's the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember that these are just a few ideas to get you started. Pick 1 or 2 and just start. Your tutor will help you and support you all along the way. Thanks for watching.